Man, this is the type of shit, man, you gotta record, dog. You gotta bump your head to, you know what I'm saying? This that headbanger. Huh? Bang, bang, nigga. Bang, bang, nigga. Where the fuck you from? I'm from Dade County, nigga. Bang, bang, nigga. Bang, bang, nigga. Where the fuck you from? I'm from Dade County, nigga. I'm from Dade County, nigga. Everybody hustle. Everybody trying to motherfucking make a dollar. I don't really care if you are motherfucking president. Guarantee you nigga trying to make another president. That's the daily routine, cause that root of the evil is that fucking money. I ain't lying to these niggas, but you know that I'm street. And I ain't fucking with these niggas, man, these niggas too low, G's. They a low fry, matter of fact they small. And I ain't playing, but you know I got like 10 missed calls. But I ain't tripping though, nigga, I do me, son. I will call back when I fucking feel like hun. So listen up while I got time for it. And I ain't telling all y'all niggas to rewind it, but I already know that that's gon' fucking happen. I ain't tripping, but you know that I stay straight ass clapping. You niggas gon' hate, y'all niggas can paper chase. I don't really care, you know where the fuck I'm at. Never late, where's the date? Nigga, never that, I'll be great. Go ahead, I can rap, nigga, I got faith. You can try me, but you won't win. You can try to lose, but I won't quit. I don't give a damn, I was born with this shit. It run through my blood, like I'm sucking dick, like I'm dick sucked. That's what I said, and I don't fucking play. Fuck a damn friend, and I ain't fucking with these niggas, man. They working with the feds, matter of fact, man, they work with the government. Yeah, nigga, that's why I stay solo. Collect all my pesos, just dolo. Fuck all that shit, though, I'd rather stay low. Because all these niggas, they really undercover. Popos, yeah, what the fuck? Tell me where the fuck is up, cause I be on this fucking thing like I be so fucking messed up. Tell me where the fuck is next, tell me what the hell you thinking, man. I'm thinking about that next check, nigga, time to collect. Bang. Fuck, nigga.